In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide fields in Airtable. If you want to clean up your table and focus only on the information that matters most, hiding fields in Airtable is a very simple and useful feature. This is especially helpful when your base has a lot of columns and the screen starts to feel crowded. Instead of deleting anything, hiding a field simply removes it from view, which means your data stays safe and accessible. To begin, open your Airtable base and go to the table where you want to hide a field. Once you're inside the correct view, look toward the top of the table interface. In that toolbar area, you'll see several options grouped together, including things like filter and sort. Near those options, you'll also find the Hide Field button. Go ahead and click on Hide Field. When you do, Airtable will open a list of the fields or columns currently visible in that table. From there, you can choose the field you want to hide. Once you select it, that field will disappear from the table view, giving you a cleaner and more organized workspace. This can be really useful if you're working with columns that aren't needed for a specific task, or if you want to reduce distractions while reviewing records. For example, you may want to hide internal notes, temporary tracking fields, or any columns that are not relevant to the current view you're using. One important thing to remember is that hiding a field does not delete the field or any of the data inside it. It only hides it from that view, so you can always bring it back later if needed. That makes this a safe way to simplify your layout without worrying about losing information. If you ever want to show the field again, you can return to the same Hide Field menu and adjust the visible fields from there. This makes it easy to customize your table depending on the task you're working on. So anytime your Airtable table feels too busy or difficult to scan, use the Hide Field option above the table, near Filter and Sort, to make your workspace easier to manage. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how efficiently you work. And that's how to hide fields in Airtable.